Okay, good morning to everyone. In last lecture, we have discussed the Cauchy and Euler equation. Cauchy and Euler equation. Okay, Cauchy and Euler equation. Okay, now in this lecture, we will discuss about the Legendre equation. Legendre equation. Okay, Legendre equation. Form of the equation. Form of the equation. फॉर्म क्या है उसका? इन ब्रैकेट x प्लस बी ब्रैकेट रेस्ट टू n d रेस्ट टू n y अपॉन dx रेस्ट टू n. यहाँ पे a0 भी लिखे तो भी चलेगा. a0 इन ब्रैकेट x प्लस बी ब्रैकेट रेस्ट टू n d रेस्ट टू n y अपॉन dx रेस्ट टू n प्लस a1 x प्लस b ब्रैकेट रेस्ट टू n माइनस 1 d raised to n minus 1 y upon dx raised to n minus 1 plus dot 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 plus a n y is equal to f of x is equal to f of x. Okay, this is form. Okay, this is called nth order linear this is called nth order linear differentiable equation with variable coefficient. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या है variable? This is variable x. Okay, this is coefficient of d raised to n. Okay, here this is coefficient of d raised to n minus 1. Okay, here x is variable. Okay, that's why called variable coefficients. Okay, then first convert this nth order linear differentiable equation with variable coefficients into constant coefficient. After that, by using previous method, we have to find the complementary function and particular integral. Okay, so by using the transformation, use the transformation. Transformation. क्या है transformation? Put x plus b is equal to e raised to z. X plus b is equal to e raised to z. यहाँ पे जो bracket है, this bracket is same. Okay, यहाँ पे power of this bracket and power of d is also same. यहाँ पे power of this bracket and power of d is same. At that time, you have to call the Legendre equation. Okay, put x plus b is equal to e raised to z. This implies z is equal to log of x. Z is equal to log of x plus b. Okay, also find value of x from this equation. Calculate the value of x. This b goes to this side. X is equal to क्या मिलेगा? X is equal to e raised to z minus b divided by e. This is value of x. Value of x. Okay. Also put x plus b dy by dx is equal to a dy. X plus b dy by dx is equal to a into dy. A is coefficient of x. A is coefficient of x. Also x plus b bracket square d2y upon dx square is equal to a d minus 1 into y. Okay, and also x plus b bracket cube d2y upon dx square is equal to a d minus 1 d minus 2 into y up to dot dot dot. यहाँ पे n आ गया तो यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है n minus 1. Okay, here capital D is d by dz. Capital D is d by dz. Okay, put all this transformation or put all this value in this equation. Then this equation directly converted into constant coefficient. Then by using previous method, we have to find the complementary function and particular integral. Okay, take example on the topic. Example first, this is your transformation. We will draw this. Right here, z is equal to x plus b. Right here, z is equal to log of x plus b. Okay. Example first, solve 2x plus 1 bracket square d2y upon dx square minus 2 times 2x plus 1 dy by dx minus is equal to 6x. Okay, this is your example. 2x plus 1 bracket square dy upon dx square minus 2x plus 1 dy by dx minus is equal to 6x. Okay, so therefore here this is Legendre's equation. This is Legendre's equation. Why? Because here power of x plus b bracket square उसका पावर क्या है 2, b का पावर क्या है 2, यहाँ पे 2x plus 1 उसका पावर क्या है 1, b का पावर क्या है 1. तो this directly belongs to this Legendre's equation. Okay, compare these two. Here value of a is 2, value of a is 2 and value of b is 1, value of b is 2 and value of b is 1. आपके लिए important क्या है value of a, value of a, यहाँ पे a क्या है 2. Okay, so in solution, for solution consider this equation is 1, this equation is 1. Okay, suppose this is your equation. First this belongs to Legendre's equation, this belongs to Legendre's equation. तो क्या करना है हमें put the substitution 2x plus 1 is equal to e raised to z. Put 2x plus 1 this bracket is equal to e raised to z. Okay, this implies z क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे z is equal to log of 2x plus 1. z is equal to log of 2x plus 1. Also find the value of x from this. x क्या जाएगा x is equal to, I will write it here. We get x is equal to क्या मिलेगा x from this equation. x is equal to क्या जाएगा 1 goes to this side e raised to z minus 1 divided by 2. This is value of x, value of x. Okay, value of x. Then put the same substitution x plus b divided by dx is equal to a into capital dy. तो क्या जाएगा this 2x plus 1 divided by dx. Okay, in bracket 2x plus 1 divided by dx is equal to क्या मिलेगा, क्या जाएगा a into dy. यहाँ पे a क्या है a is 2, तो क्या जाएगा 2dy. Okay, 2dy. Also 2x plus 1 bracket square d2y upon dx square is equal to यहाँ पे x plus b bracket square यहाँ पे कहाँ तक है up to square. Okay, then क्या जाएगा a d minus 1 into y. a is 2 तो यहाँ पे x का स्क्वायर क्या जाएगा x का स्क्वायर. ओके, x स्क्वायर यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा a स्क्वायर यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा a क्यूब. ओके, का पावर क्या है वहाँ पे 3. तो क्या जाएगा यहाँ पे a is 2 स्क्वायर 4 b minus 1 into 1. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या रहा a dy a स्क्वायर dy a क्यूब b minus 1 b minus 2 1. ओके, यहाँ पे 2 यहाँ पे 2 स्क्वायर. देन यहाँ पे क्यूब की टर्म है क्या, नहीं है, क्यूब नहीं है. तो पुट ऑल दिस वैल्यू इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. Equation 1 becomes क्या मिलेगा इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. देखो अभी यहाँ पे इन ब्रैकेट 2x plus 1 d2y upon dx स्क्वायर. उसमें हम लिखा है 4d into d minus 1y. ओके, क्या जाएगा 4d in bracket d minus 1y. ओके, minus is 2 as it is. Value of 2x plus 1 into dy by dx. Value of 2x plus 1 into dy by dx क्या है उसकी वैल्यू 2dy क्या जाएगा into 2dy minus बाकी as it is equal to 6. The value of x की वैल्यू क्या है, value of x यहाँ पे लिखिए. This is e raised to z minus 1 divided by 2. We get this equation. Okay, now this equation belongs to y and z. यहाँ पे क्या है y and z. x है क्या भी यहाँ पे नहीं है, x गायब हो गया with help of this transformation. Okay, now simplify this. 4d इंटू y क्या मिलेगा 4d स्क्वायर y माइनस 4d इंटू 1 इंटू y क्या जाएगा 4dy माइनस यहाँ पे सेम 4dy बाकी एज इट इज 6/2 दिस इज 3 e का पावर z minus 1. Okay, now take y common. Now take y common from this. यहाँ पे y, here is also y, here is also y, here is also y. क्या मिलेगा 4d square minus 4d क्या जाएगा 8d minus into y is equal to 3 in bracket e raised to z minus 1. Okay, therefore this is phi of d into y is equal to f of z. Phi of d into y is equal to f of z. Okay, then after that क्या मिलेगा take 4 common from this. I will simplify here. I will write here. क्या जाएगा take 4 common. Take 4 common and goes to 4 common to this side. यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा d square minus 4 common लिया यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा 2 d माइनस यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा 3 4 कॉमन लिया यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा 3 इज इक्वल टू 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 e raised to z minus 1. We get this equation. Now this is phi of d into y is equal to f of z. First find CF. After that we have to find pi. Okay. So for CF, for finding CF, how to find CF? Put this equal to 0. क्या मिलेगा d square minus 2d minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, this is quadratic equation in D. This is quadratic equation in D. Find roots of that equation. Find roots and depending upon nature of the roots, we have write CF directly. Okay, तो उसके रूट क्या मिलेंगे? उसके रूट कैसे मिलते हैं? This is D is equal to 1, minus 3. These are the roots. D is equal to minus 1, 3. D is equal to minus 1, 3. Okay, these are the roots. Then CF क्या जाएगा? CF is C1 e का पावर यहाँ पे क्या -1 क्या जाएगा -z plus C2 e का पावर 3z. Okay, this is your CF. This is your CF. After that we have to find PI. After that we have to find PI. How to find PI? I will write here. We have to find particular integral of this. Then pi is equal to 1 upon phi of d. यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा f of z. Okay, pi is equal to 1 upon phi of d f of z. Then put value of phi of d. This is your phi of d. 1 upon d square minus 2d minus 3 and f of z is this is your f of z 3/4 e raised to z minus 1. Okay, this is your f of z. Now separate this. तो क्या मिलेगा? Separate this also. Okay, क्या जाएगा 3/4 1 upon d square minus 2d minus 3 e raised to z. यहाँ पे क्या माइनस साइन 3/4 as it is 1 upon d square minus 2d minus 3 1 can be written as 1 into e raised to 0. Okay, any constant can be written as this constant e raised to 0. Okay, can you use shortcut case number first for finding pi in shortcut method. Case number first we have to find pi when f of x is e का power ax. How to find in phi of d? D is replaced by a. D is replaced by a. यहाँ पे a की वैल्यू क्या है 1, तो d की जगह क्या जाएगा 1. यहाँ पे a की वैल्यू क्या है 0, तो d की जगह क्या जाएगा 0. तो क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे this 3/4 as it is. यहाँ पे d replaced by 1. यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा 1 minus 2 minus 3. 1 minus 2 minus 3. This is minus 4. Okay, e raised to z minus 3/4 as it is 1 upon d की जगह क्या करना है 0. यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा 0 0. यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा minus 3 e raised to 0z. Okay, last step, this is minus 4 into 4, this is 3 upon 16 e raised to z. This is minus minus plus 3 get cancel, तो क्या बचेगा प्लस 1/4 e raised to 0z. दिस इज 1, लिख दिया नहीं लिख दिया कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, दिस इज पी आई. Okay, this is your pi. Okay, then after that we will write the general solution. General solution क्या होता है? y is equal to cf plus pi. Okay, general solution I will write here the general solution cf plus pi. Cf plus pi, or this is y is equal to cf is c1 e raised to minus z plus c2 e raised to 3z, and pi is minus 3/16 e raised to z plus 1/4. Okay, then replace value of z. Z की वैल्यू क्या थी? वैल्यू ऑफ z is equal to log of 2x plus 1. फर्स्ट मैंने लिखा था the value of z is equal to 3x plus 1. लास्ट में क्या करना है आपको? replace value of z, that is 2x plus 1. क्या मिलेगा? c1 e raised to minus z is log of 2x plus 1 plus c2 e raised to 3 z is log of 2x plus 1 minus 3/16 e raised to z is log of 2x plus 1 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Okay, then this minus 1 goes to bracket का power, e and log get cancel. यहाँ पे 3 goes to power of bracket, e and log cancel. यहाँ पे e and log cancel. क्या बचेगा? आंसर इज c1, यहाँ पे ये ब्रैकेट ही बचेगा 3x plus 1 ब्रैकेट is to minus 1 plus c2, this goes to this side, क्या जाएगा 3x plus 1 ब्रैकेट cube minus 3/16. यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? e and log get cancel, 2x plus 1 plus 1/4. This is the final answer, that is y. Y is equal to cf plus pi. Okay, this is called Legendre's equation. उसका फॉर्म क्या है? Then how to find solution? ये अंदर में डिस्कस करेंगे. Okay.